Routing cables. Remove the filler panels and cover from the power distribution subrack. Determine whether to remove small covers or drill holes into the large cover to route cables as required by the site. Drill holes as required. Reinstall the large cover. Connecting the ground cable to the UPS. Align the cable with the copper bar to be connected. Mark the length necessary for connecting a terminal. Pull the cable out of the cabinet and cut it to length up to the first mark. Strip the cable and crimp the terminal. Connect the cable to the corresponding copper bar. Prepare terminals for the other cables in the same way. Connect the input power cable wires. Connect the output power cable wires. Reinstall the cover for the power distribution subrack. Seal each gap between the cables and cabinet using the included sealing patch. Reinstall the filler panels. Route a signal cable. Bind the cable to the cabinet.